Now it's time to take the snapshot quiz. Before you take the quiz, you should go through your notes on the snapshots. There will be 18 questions that are multiple choice and true, false. The point of this is to show that you learned and that you remember. So if you don't know, maybe get out your notes and make sure that you can find the information. Now it's time to take the practice review for your first signs. Watch the signer and choose the correct answer for what's signed. This is a practice worksheet, so you have unlimited attempts. Alright, now we're back for vocabulary number 10, online class signs. Some important signs that we're going to start using going forward. The sign for home, where you eat and where your bed is, where you eat and kiss your mom on the cheek. Home, work, homework, homework. To study. They'll show other variations such as home study or homework, very condensed version, usually saying homework. Paper or sheet. So worksheet or study sheet, worksheet. To scan on the screen, tap on the screen, touch the screen. If you have an old-fashioned mouse, you could click. If you have a tablet or a phone, tap that screen. Drop-down menu, you click on it, tap it, click, and then it drops down. Click, drop down, then you can like tap something else. To download, this is the version of the sign I usually use. Download. It's you have your two fingers up and you're going to grab something, hook it, and pull it down. Download. Download streaming, like if you're watching a movie, you might be watching it on streaming, it's downloading. Same thing for upload. I'm grabbing it and I'm uploading it into the internet. Same thing with upload. My movie is still streaming, is still getting uploaded. And to record a video of yourself, something else. Maybe think if this is the tripod and this is the camera.